We are trying to explore the topic find equation of tangent, and here's kind of a different question. It says show that the line y equals to 4x plus 11 is tangent to the curve y equals to 16 over x squared minus 1. So in this case we are actually given equation of tangent line, and we need to verify that this is indeed tangent to the given curve. Now, interesting thing is that we don't know what point. So the strategy should be, we could find a common point between these two, and then that means at least it touches the curve at a point, right? And then find the slope and match it up. That could be one of the strategies. The second could be that we could find general slope expression for the slope of this tangent line on the curve, and then find the point thereafter where the slope is 4. Since 4 is the slope of the given line, so we'll adopt the second strategy. So what we are really looking for is we are looking for a point on function y equals to 16 over x squared minus 1 where slope is equals to 4, right? Why 4? Slope of the line is 4. Do you see that? Equation of the line is given in slope intercept form, and from there we know that slope of tangent line is 4. And if this is tangent to our curve, then there should be a point on the curve where we have slope of 4. So that's the strategy. Now, let's find the derivative, since derivative gives us slope at any point on the curve. So y dash is equals to, so it is 16x squared. So let me write the function now as like this. Y equals to 16 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1, right? Writing like this helps. We can use power rule. So we'll use power rule and figure it out. In this case, we'll have to use kind of quotient rule, which is difficult for such a simple question, right? Let's use power rule. So we get minus 2 times 16 x to the power of minus 3. Minus 1 slope is 0, right? So that is the expression. Now we really want to figure out at which point is this equal to 4, right? So let's equate this to 4 and find the answer. So this equation could be written as 32 minus 32 over x cubed, right? Now it has a slope of 4, that means minus 32 over x cubed equals to 4. Now let's solve for this. So we have minus 32 over 4 equals to x cubed, and that is to say that minus 8 equals to x cubed, and that gives us a result, and that is that x is equals to cube root of, so we have x equals to cube root of minus 8, and that is minus 2. So minus 2 is a point on this curve where the slope will be 4, right? So we say that could be a point, right? Now we need to verify if it is so, then this point should also be on the line, right? Now what is the point on these two curves? So let's calculate these points. So first one is y equals to 4 times x value is minus 2 plus 11. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to check what is the y point at x equals to minus 2. That is what we're trying to do on both the curves, right? So this is on the given line. So this is equals to minus 8 plus 11, which gives us a value of 3. So the point is minus 2 and 3 on line, which we are calling probably a tangent line, y equals to 4x plus 11, right? Now let's figure out what is the value of y when we plug in this point in our curve, right? So for that, y is equals to 16 over minus 2 square minus 1, and that gives us a value 16 over 4 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So indeed the point is same. That means here also we get the point as minus 2, 3, right? So that means the point which is on the curve is common to tangent and the curve, and since their slope is also same, therefore we have proved that the line is indeed a tangent line to the curve. Therefore, given line is tangent to the curve at the point minus 2, 3. Do you see that? So that is how we are going to solve these kinds of questions, right? This is a indeed interesting question. Go through the strategy which we have followed and try to understand how we got this answer. Thank you.